Hi, so I had a study that was a twin study that looked at determining specific overlap of genes and environments when it comes to internalizing symptoms and well-being in adolescents. So twins were selected from the twins' early developmental study, and the zygosity was confirmed, and they were given different tests to determine their subjective happiness, life satisfaction, internalizing symptoms, and emotional symptoms. And then they had an analysis that occurred that looked at heritability factors and then factors of shared environments and factors of non-shared environments, and how these corresponded with genetic factors such as influence of genes on depression, emotional symptoms, life satisfaction, and happiness. So it was found that males had a higher score of life satisfaction than females did, and females had higher emotional and depressive symptom scores. Monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins did not have any differences between these original tests, and there was also no differences in happiness among the groups. From the twin analysis, it was found that monozygotic twins had higher correlations in all of the tests for the phenotypic correlations than dizygotic twins, showing how there is a big role that genes do play in this. And then when looking at the overlap of these factors, the heritability of genes of depression overlapped with emotional symptoms and life satisfaction. Heritability of emotional symptoms didn't have a lot of overlap with other symptoms. The ones of life satisfaction and happiness overlapped with each other. The shared environment factor with depression overlapped with anxiety, life satisfaction, and happiness symptoms, and the other three factors didn't overlap much on each other. And then in non-shared environment factors, each independent genetic influence played the largest role in itself. So what this found was that there is overlap between the role of genes and environment when it comes to internalizing symptoms and well-being. Genes explain 33 to 44% of the phenotypic relationship of well-being and internalizing symptoms, which show that mental health and mental illness were two different things, which is what they were looking at to determine how different these two things are. So this is important in tailoring specific treatments towards mental health and mental illness individually in order to have the best results when it comes to treating these things. Thanks.